First you clean your chicken. I cut little slices in it like that so the seasoning come through. I'm gonna season it. You can have your own seasonings, what you need. I'm gonna fry these with some garlic. Warm your skillet up. Then add some olive oil. Let that heat up, and I'm gonna fry these breasts. Got my water getting boiled for my fettuccine noodles. I'm gonna cook them on both sides real good till they golden brown. Dice you up some onions. Drop your pasta in the water once it gets warm. Heat it up and bubbled. They'll fall down in the water once they soften. You can take a fork and make sure your noodles separate so they don't cook together. And I've been cooking my breast with the lid on it. Take your cooked chicken breasts and sit them on the side for a minute. So now, I'm gonna pour a little olive oil in and saute the onions. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of mixed garlic. I'm gonna saute that with the onions. I'm gonna saute my onions till they nice and brown. Add my cream of chicken. I'm gonna show you how to make cream of chicken from scratch one day. So mixed all that up. Got my onions and garlics mixed in with the cream of chicken. I'm gonna add some spinach in it. Let it cook all together. Add me some California sun-dried tomatoes. Add some sun-dried tomatoes in there with it. Mix it all up and let that cook for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna take my noodles out, drain them, they done. Always run some cold water over your noodles, stop them from cooking. Now I'm gonna add my chicken broth, chicken breast that I was cooking earlier, back into the mix. The cream of chicken is seasoned, and the chicken is seasoned as well. So you don't need to put no more seasoning on it. I'm gonna put a lid over this. Put you some noodles on a plate. Add your cream of chicken. Get you a nice piece of chicken and put it on top of that like that. And get ready to throw down. Definitely got some biscuits in the plate with it though, you know.